to Wynette's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making banana bread. So the ingredients are two mashed bananas and the banana powder and 1/4 of vegetable oil and 2 eggs and 1/2 of milk instead of water, but you can use water if you want. So first we're gonna put the banana powder into the bowl. Alright, so now let's put the banana powder into the bowl. And then the 1/2 milk. And then the vegetable oil. The 2 eggs. And last, the 2 mashed bananas. And now we're gonna mix. I am super quiet because I really want my ingredients to be mixed very well. And because it is my first time making a banana loaf and I want it to be just right. So before we put the banana bread into the pan, we're going to put the leftover oil into here and spread it with the brush. So we put the leftover oil. Now we're going to spread it around. So now that I'm done putting all the butter and oil, I'm going to put all of the banana bread inside here. So now I'm going to use the spatula to put all of the banana bread into the pan. So now that we're done putting everything into the pan, we're going to wait for it to be 375. And then we're going to put it into the oven. So I'm waiting for the oven to beep, and hopefully the ingredients will be mixed very well, and I hope it will be good. So now it's almost at 375. It's almost ready to be put into the oven. Almost. Okay, it's time to put it into the oven. Getting on my oven mitten. I'm gonna put this into the oven. In the oven now. So it's getting brown now. We're gonna wait a few more minutes. Then we're gonna take it out and try it. And it smells very delicious. So it's really nice and brown and crispy. Now we're going to see how it looks like. So now it's ready. And now we're going to try it. Look at our lunch bean. Don't have a bite. It's hot.
I will.
So now we're going to cut it. And it sounds very crispy. And I'm very excited to taste it. This is how it looks. And this is how it looks in the inside.
Danke Manang. Ang ganda pa Manang. Danke Manang in the nana bed. That's good.
Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.